مرحبا بكم في درس جديد من دروس السندبات الإلكترونية. Today our lesson is for welcome grade 3 lesson 23. Now boys and girls, open your pupils book page 39. Page 39. We have part 1. We will do section 4 how to read the clock. راح نراجع شلون نقرأ clock الساعة. قبل ما نبدي بهذا التمرين راح نعطيكم ملاحظات. إذا كان the long hand العقرب الطويل على 12 على 12 والعقرب الصغير على الساعات، فراح نقول مثلا it's 1 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 3 o'clock. إذا كان العقرب الصغير على 3 والعقرب الكبير long hand الطويل على 12 نقول it's 3 o'clock. إذا كانت على 9 نقول quarter to, it's quarter to مثلا، والعقرب الصغير على 3 it's quarter to 3, quarter to إلا ربع. Okay, if the long hand was on 3 إذا كان العقرب الطويل على 3 راح تنقري quarter past وربع. إذا العقرب الطويل على 3 مثلا والعقرب الصغير the short hand is on 2 راح تصير it's quarter past 2, 2 وربع, quarter past وربع. عندي النصف half past من يكون the long hand on 6 عقرب الطويل على 6 it's half past، ونشوف العقرب وين الصغير بين منو نقرأ الساعة اللي قبلها it's half past 3. إذا كانت بين 3 وبين 4 it's half past 5. إذا كان العقرب الصغير بين 5 وبين 6 والعقرب الكبير على 6. Let's do this practice. خلينا نسوي هذا التدريب. Look and say, this is our friend Oscar. He's talking to Eddie. He says, it's quarter past 9. Look at this clock. The long hand on 3. نقول quarter past. It's quarter past 9. It's time for our science lesson. حان موعد درس العلوم. It's time. حان موعد وقت. حان وقت درس العلوم. It's time for our science lesson. Now, number 2. It's time for our PE lesson. But what is the time? What is the time? Let's look. The long hand is on 6. What do we say? Half past. And between 1 and 2 we say it's half past 1. Half past 1. It's time for our PE lesson. Number 3. Now remember the long hand on 9. What do we say? Quarter to. And the short hand on 12 we say it's quarter to 12. It's time for our English lesson. These are the subjects in مواد PE English. Number 4. Now the long hand on 6 we say half past. It's half past what? Between 10 and 11 we say 10. قبل الساعة القليلة 10 و11 نقول 10. It's half past 10. It's half past 10. بعد لين ما واصلة ل 11 ما نقول half past 11. هي عبر 10 بشوية. عبر 10 ونص. 10 ونص. Okay? Half past 10. 10 ونصف. Half past 10. Now number 5. When is our music lesson? Who can tell me? Now remember the long hand on 3. Okay, the short hand on 2. We say it's quarter past 2. It's time for our music lesson. Number 6. What time is it? And when do we go to history lesson? What time? It's quarter to 3. Quarter to 3. 3 إلا ربع. Quarter to 3. It's time for our history lesson. Okay? Now, let's do some exercise in our VGPs. Open your VGPs. Page 30. We have page 30. We have A and B. A, vocabulary, just write the subjects. At 9:15. There are two ways for reading the time. بالوقت الهسه بالحاضر نقول المينتس 9:15. 9:15 هي نفسها it's quarter past 9. quarter past 9. بس هسه بالديجيتال نمبرز بالساعات الديجيتال نقول it's 9 and 15 minutes. 9:15 يعني quarter past 9. At 9:15 on Monday we have science, and in 10:30 what do we have? Write it. What do we have? What is the picture here? Art. On 12 o'clock it's lunchtime. On Tuesday what do we have? 9:15. We have, what is this book? History. History. How can you find these words? شلون نكتب الكلمات؟ نرجع على pupils book page 38. The subjects كلها موجودة. Open your pupils book page 38 and do this lesson. Okay? This is music lesson and this is English lesson and PE. Exercise B. Exercise B. Now exercise B. Look and circle. Now these are hints. هاي مساعدات. If the long hand is on 12 we say o'clock. Okay? O'clock. If it's on 3, quarter past. وربع. If it's on 9, quarter to. إلا ربع. If it's on 6 we say half past. ونصف. Okay? Now number 1 is done. Number 1 is done. Look and circle. Just circle. What time is it? If the long hand on 12 we say o'clock. So it's 6 o'clock. نباوع على العقرب الصغير وين ونقول وراها o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay? 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. The long hand on 12. The short hand on 6. Number 2. Both of them on 3. اثنينهم 3. شو حنقول? We have two choices. Quarter past 3 or quarter to 3. Now if the long hand was in 3, what do we say? Quarter past. So the correct answer is A. 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 Now number 3. Both hands on 9. Quarter past 9 or quarter to 9. 9 وربع لو 9 إلا ربع. If the long hand on 9, we say quarter to. إلا ربع. Quarter to 9. B is the correct answer. Number 4, the long hand on 6 and the short hand between 9 and 10. بين التسعة والعشرة. Is it 10 o'clock? It's 10 o'clock. Or B, it's half past 10. هذا بقيها لكم. 10 o'clock or half past 10. If the long hand on 6, do we say o'clock or half past? Okay, do it by yourself. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon in part 2. Thank you very much. Goodbye.